Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today we are watching a new video of property. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, property location, and here is the nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 10.0, which is the exceptional. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. Category 1. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, amenities, facilities, and options, etc. Category 4. Category 5. Next, we talk about the amenities of this property. So you can see on the screen, guests will be required to present photo ID at check-in. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Location of the property is outstanding. Guests love to enjoy the surroundings. Several deals and offers are available online for this property, along with various meal plans and payment policies. If you're planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. Booking or more details, check the description. If you are facing any kind of problem booking a room in this property, then you can tell us by commenting.